Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Oh, oh no! God. Yeah, man. Oh my goodness. I couldn't do nothing with him, man. I'm pulling back. That joker pulling away from me. Gee. God. Couldn't do nothing with him. What you using, that swim bait? Worm.
Big old 13.
Oh, really? Good gracious. Good shot, man.
First blood time.
I know, first fish. I know, man. What's going on?
Ain't too much.
I'm glad you came, man. Boy, look at your beard, boy.
It's long, man. It's real long.
Hey, let me have him, man. Actually got one. Oh, wow. Let me get him.
You don't never had none when I come over there.
Boy, you crazy.
You don't.
They go doing like Dennis on you. Let me take a picture of him real quick, folks. I ain't used to this, man. I need to throw out that bait cast. I done got used to it. Oh, something running with it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey Patrick, I got number 2. Yeah, I'm gonna put him back while my brother ain't here. Yeah, I'm gonna put his butt back. Okay, guys, just got number 2. Okay, let's get this guy back. Woo. Much than that. That's a little bigger one here, Patrick. Oh man, he got back. He got back, man. You don't want this little thing, do you, Phil? Yeah. Hey, Patrick. Here go one of your little, here go one like the one you caught at the other place.
So y'all don't count them.
Check it out.
Where you at?
Right here. Right here. He's still. I know, he's that little. Let's get him back.
I'm gonna clean him with you. Come in, I come get him. No, you gonna come get you one.
There you go.
Thanks. much down than that. Shooting that net.
Back where?
Back there.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And that's when I saw him that I told you to keep walking. He said, why? I said, man, just walk, man. Don't run. Just walk. And I told you, I saw that, man. Oh yeah, hey, I didn't know he get away. I'm telling you, I'm gonna carry him with you. Yeah, got him.
Come on over here, Patrick. Oh, okay. Well, I understand. It's coming. Ugh. It's coming.
There's some fish in the water falls, man. It's just, man, it's hard to pull, man. Man, I tell you.
Yeah.
Get the pool. Nice one, too. Yep. Like I said, I know you want to make it easy for me, man. Baby, catch me a couple of fish, put me in the refrigerator. I come get them. No, you gonna come get your one.
There you go.
Thanks.
He bleeding. All right. Where you at, big fish? Where you at? All right, big bass. Come on. Come on, big bass. Whoa. Ooh. Good gracious. I'm glad you put that thumb on it. Huh? See this right here? Look at his reel. That's what you call a backlash.
Oh.
So you mess around, you hit that thing going out, and you let that line go out.
Oh, you gotta put your thumb on it, stop it when it go out.
Whatever you do, you make sure you have your thumb close to it. Because if you don't, you're going to pay for it.
Patrick, you paying for it?
I'm paying for it right now.
You're going to pay for it, I'm telling you. And bait casters do not play.
I caught it, but it did its damage. It could have been worse, though.
You get them things.
It's gonna take a little while.
Sometimes, most of the time. Well, most of the time it's pretty bad.
Swam right across from that street.
Get him.
Oh, let's go, Philip. Let's go.
Yep, come on here. Come on.
Hold your reel down. Hold your reel. Yeah, point it down so he don't jump up and throw that worm out. Good shot, man.
Go, Philip. Let's go. Yeah.
Nice. Wait a minute now. Let's see. Oh, okay. He about the size of the big one.
Want to cheat?
No. Go ahead on. Yeah, go ahead and do your thing.
I thought, man, maybe y'all want to take it and cheat.
There you go. Nah, he ain't big enough. No way.
Yeah.
Nah. He ain't big enough.